Hello fellow website creators, welcome again to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a fantastic resource where you can get WordPress and WooCommerce templates which are professionally designed and they are also affordable. So if this is something you're looking to find, then this video was specially made for you in mind. So why don't we begin? So first, let's head over to our favorite resource for WordPress themes, that is Themeforest. So just go to your browser and type themeforest.net and just open it up. Now it will bring you to their homepage, which you can see, and they have a wide range, thousands of templates that you can choose from, and this makes it very easy when you are finding a particular WordPress theme or website template for any project at all that you want to do, whether it's a blog, a business website, or an online store. Now, if you want to find a particular theme that fits your niche or your business niche, what you can do is you can just come into the search bar here and type in the niche you are looking for. So let's just say we are looking for a template that has to do with weddings. So maybe you're a photographer for weddings, or let's just type photography instead. So photography. So you are a business owner, you're an entrepreneur, you take photographs. Now you want to set up a business or set up a business website. You can easily find a photography theme here. So clicking on the search, let's see what we get. Now, as you can see, Themeforest actually gives us a long list of templates that we can choose from. Another thing that you can also do is that you can also refine your search or filter your search based on the parameters that you see over here. So if you click on best match, this gives you the template that best matches the whatever you type in here. We can also go for the best selling. Best selling means that this theme is actually being bought or being purchased by a lot of people, which means that the template is also good. You can go for the newest, the best rated, the trending, or the price. So you have these parameters here which you can use to filter your search. So let's just click on best sellers. So if you click on best selling, this gives you the #1 selling theme on Themeforest right now, which is Avada. It has, the price is $69. It has about 25.6k 5-star reviews, bought by 903.3k that's 903.3k sales in total, which means that this template is being bought by a lot of people. So you can actually use those metrics to see which theme best fits your what you're actually looking for. Another thing that you can also get to see is you get to have a preview of how the template works. So let's just say, suppose we want to go with Avada. You can go for a live preview here. So click on live preview, and this actually shows you the template in action. So you get to see the functionalities of the template, what they can do, so that you can, based on that, you can use that to decide to whether you want to buy this template or not. So here we are on the preview of the Avada template. Now if you click on pre-built, you get to see some of the pre-built templates in here. So these are the categories or some of the things that you can use the Avada template for. Now the total pre-built websites are 95. 40 of them are corporate. We have creative, shop, portfolio. So we typed for photography. So let's just go through and see if we can find one for portfolio. So photography might fall under portfolio. Let's click on that. And in here you get to see the various pre-built templates that you can use for whatever website that you want to go. So let's just go for, so here, Avada photography. So clicking on that, we get to see how the photography template actually looks like, and this is very nice. If you get to scroll down, so you get to play around and see how this template actually works, and if it's something that you would want your website to look like, you can go for if you click on the menu here, you get to see location, about me. Let's go to about me and just check it out. So this is where you get to talk about yourself. So you have a background of your image, and you can say a little bit about your business, what kinds of photography that you do. So yes, you just get to play around and see how this template works. If it fits what you are looking for, you can go ahead and make a purchase of this template. Now, once you find a theme or a template that best matches what you are looking for, before you go ahead and actually make a purchase of this template, I always want you to look at this. Now, click on the template that you want to buy. In this case, let's just say you want to buy the avatar template. One thing that you also need to look out for is to scroll down and look at some of the functionalities of this website. So on the right hand side over here, you can see the last update when this template was last updated. Normally, if the date is so far away that you don't want to buy this template, because it means there's no support for this template that you are buying. So in the future, if you face any issues, you wouldn't have anybody to help you out with it. You can also check the publishing date. This goes way back as in August 2012. So you need to take your time to go through all these properties, check all the plugins that this template is compatible with before you make a purchase. Go through the software versions. If your software or the template that you are buying is not compatible with the latest version of WordPress version, you might also face some challenges in the future. So you need to check all this to make sure that this template actually aligns with all that you are looking for in the template. So you can also go down here. These are some of the features of the template. You can scroll down and make sure you check everything before you go ahead and make a purchase. Other sections that you can also check out is the review section. So people normally leave a review for each template that they buy. So you can just go through and see what the comments that people are giving about the template in general. And this gives you a general overview about the quality of this template. You can also go ahead, go to the comments section. Normally, people would have commented about their experience with this template, and this will also give you a fair idea or inform your decision to either buy this template or not to go for it. There's also the support section in here, which also shows you how to get support in case you face any challenges whilst installing this template or whilst using this template. And normally this you get support for each template for 12 months. If you want to extend it, it comes at an additional cost, so you also need to be mindful of this. So the default duration for support is 6 months. If you want to extend it to 12 months, if you check this box, it will also mean that you also have to pay additional money to get additional support for this template. Now, before I wrap up this video, I also like to share a bonus tip with you. Now, maybe you don't have the budget to pay $69 or $59 for just one WordPress template, but you want to get unlimited downloads for, let's say, a month. Another option in here is that you can also go for the unlimited download on Envato Element. So maybe you're a creator and you also want to get videos, audios that you can also use in your creative works or in your creative project. You can also come to Envato Element, and in here you can just pay that is $16.50 per month, and you can actually get unlimited about 14 million items that are available to you that you can download in a month. You can also do yearly subscription. If you think you can do the yearly subscription too, you can also do that. You just need to click begin, and it will take you to a page where you can see the subscription for a month or for a year. So this is also another tip I would like to share with you, where you can also get unlimited downloads for your WordPress themes and plugins. Also, I would like to add that if you don't have any budget to buy a new WordPress template, there's an option where you can also get free templates on the same website, and you'll find that here in the more section here. If you scroll all the way here, if you hover your mouse on the more menu item here, just go down, go to free WordPress themes. So after you've created your account on the Themeforest website, you actually have access to their free WordPress themes, which they release every month. So every month they give a new collection of website templates that they are giving away for free. So when you come in here, you can see there are about 2 website templates in here which you can download for free as well. So if you don't have money to actually pay for a WordPress template or a website theme, you can just come here and then download their free option. So there you go. This is where a fantastic resource where you can get WordPress themes or templates at affordable prices, and they are also professionally designed. And I also showed you where you can also get a monthly subscription if you don't have the budget for buying just a single template. There's Envato Elements where you can also get their monthly subscription, and also you can also get their free templates that they have on the website also. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like the video, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel, because every week I give you more videos on websites and tech tips. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.